Hi, I'm PL from Team FRC Quicksilver 604, and today I'm going to show you guys how to build an air-powered car. You're going to learn how to build an object that can be pushed by a force. In this video, our object is a car and our force is air. For example, when I blow on this piece of paper, it doesn't go very far at all. So the big question for today is, how can we change that piece of paper so it can move as far as possible? You will need 2 paper clips, tape, 4 lifesavers, 3 unbendable straws, and scissors. To test out this car, you will need to lay out tape to be able to see how far your car goes. Lay out 6 feet of tape on a flat surface. Mark every foot on the tape so you can tell how far your car has moved. Now it's time to build. Look at the supplies you have. What supplies would make good wheels? How do you make sure the car stays balanced? Now that you have your car, it is time to test it out. Our goal is to be able to get to the end with the fewest puffs possible. Don't be afraid to redesign your car. Redesigning is important to make sure your car is so much better. While building, you may have discovered that you need a sturdy car so your car doesn't fall over when you blow air on it. You also may have discovered that your car needs to use air instead of pushing it away. In this video, you learned how to make something as simple as a piece of paper, something as cool as a car. What else can you do with just a piece of paper?